Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to start creating the Blink project in the Visual Studio. So let's do it. First, I talked about how to install the Arduino IDE in the Visual Studio and how to set the default properties of it. And after that, I talked about how to create the Blink project in the Arduino. Now let's do it in the Visual Studio. To do that, first come over here and the micro menu, click on it, come to Visual Micro Explorer. In this window, I have different tabs over here, and I can get access to different options of the micro. At the first step, we have the references. So this is the references for the Arduino, and I don't want to work with this. From here, you can get access to the Arduino website and its great tutorials. For instance, if I click on this one, and you can see something like this, and you can start working with it during the website of the Arduino. And after that, you can come to this one, for instance, to the references and different default methods of the Arduino. So let's come to this one and collapse. And after that, I have the examples over here. In the examples, I can get access to the examples that are currently installed for the Arduino. So if I come to my computer and come to my PC, drive C and the program files, this is my Arduino folder, and here I have the examples, and you can see it over here, examples. Click on it. I have all of these examples that are grouped from the basics up to the Arduino ISP. This is the ID examples and the basics up to the Arduino ISP. And if I expand this one, exactly I have the same thing over here, the basics, and all of these are available over here. So we don't need to open up my actual folder in the Arduino installation folder. We can easily get access to all of them over here. And after that, I have another libraries folder, and I can get access to all of the libraries inside the installation folder of the Arduino. If I come to this one and come to the Arduino, here I have the libraries. So I have all of these libraries over here, from the Adafruit up to the Wi-Fi. This one up to the Wi-Fi. So let's close this one, and after that, if I come to the libraries, I have another libraries for the AVR of the Arduino. I don't want to work with all of this. Now for the first step, let's come to the ID examples and the basics, and I want to work with the Blink. So click on the Blink. First, I talked about how to create the Blink application in the Arduino editor itself. So we changed some settings over here, and I changed the pin mode to the 13. I need all of these codes. So let's copy this up to here, or I can easily copy all of this and close this one, come to my own Blink LED file, to this one. Now if I come over here, and I can easily select all and paste over here, and everything is ready for me to upload this part of code inside my Arduino Uno. And don't forget, if I come over here, right click on my file and open containing folder, I can directly get access to this file, and you can easily open this file by the Arduino editor. I don't want to do that, so let's close this. Now let's hide my project and let's save everything. Now it's time to compile and upload my project inside my board. To do that, I have two options. First, I can build my project. This is the build or compiling of the project, and if I wanna check my project and compile it for checking the errors, so I can build or compile my project, and you can see in the output I haven't any errors over here. And if you got some errors inside your project, you can see it over here. Let's add some error, for instance this one intentionally, and I have the error over here. And if I build my project, I have something like this over here, error compiling project, and come to error list, and you can see the error list over here. Click on it, and exactly I jumped to here automatically. Now let's add the semicolon at the end of my line and compile it again. This is the compile or building the application. Now I built my application without any errors, and it means it's ready for uploading to my Arduino Uno board. To do that, I have another great button over here, build and upload. So if I click on this button at the first step, the Arduino will create and build my project. Then we'll upload it to my board. But you can see this error uploading and the serial open can't open device at the COM7. Indeed, I disconnected my Arduino board from my computer. So let's connect it again and let's be patient. And this is the sound of my connection, and successfully I connected my board to the computer. Now it's time to build it again and come to build and upload. So let's be patient. It's compiling and uploading. So if you set the COM over here and your Arduino version and the board, you can see the successful message over here without any problem. And if I come to the error list, I haven't any errors over here. Now my LED is blinking successfully and I can see it in the Arduino Uno board. Okay, excellent. I enjoyed a lot and everything is working perfectly. And remember, during the compiling and creating your first project, maybe you got many errors that I didn't cover during this tutorial. Indeed, it means don't be disappointed. Just open up the Google and search the error. There's many great websites that you can easily find the best answer for your solution. Indeed, creating the application for the Arduino or the microcontrollers are really complicated process. Why? Because we have the microcontroller at one side and we have the connection or connector to the PC, and after that we have some bugs and error in our Visual Studio. And if you want to create the application, you need to consider all of this. With the best wishes for you, stay with me with my upcoming tutorial about how we can add the custom libraries to the project. Thanks for watching us.